Hi everyone, welcome to 5 Idea Chinese. This is our grammar lesson. Today we're gonna learn this word, 以为. It is used when your thought of something is wrong. For example, 我以为你回家了. I thought you went home. That means I thought you went home, but actually you didn't. Let's see one more example. 我以为今天是星期五. I thought today was Friday. That means I thought today was Friday, but actually it's not. Now please try to make a sentence by yourself according to this picture. How to say I thought she came back? It's 我以为她回来了. Now let's look at this picture. Can you make a sentence according to this picture? How to say, I thought it was raining outside. We will see the answer in the next video. Now let's hear the answer to the question I left last time. If I expect my friend to call me and my friend finally call me, I can say, 你终于给我打电话了. Are you right? Okay, see you in the next video.